Imagine running a YouTube channel that earns money, builds a following, and creates content 24/7, without you lifting a finger. Sounds impossible? Think again. In this video, I'm revealing how you can use AI to completely automate your YouTube channel, from script writing to video production, and even audience engagement. Get ready to see how AI is revolutionizing content creation, and how you can get in on the action before everyone else does. Let's dive in. Alright, first of all, we have to select the niche. To find the best niche, I will use an AI tool called TubeMagic AI. I will put all the tool links in the description. Just head over there and create an account on TubeMagic. Once you are logged in, you will find a vast number of tools or features. All of these are very essential to running a YouTube channel. Find the Niche Explorer tool. Once you click on the Niche Explorer tool, you will find all the best and most profitable niches. Here, first you will find the niche name, then an example channel of the particular niche, and in the end, approximate RPM. Give some time to research and then find out the best fit for you. Always try to find a niche you will love to work on. Don't select a niche that will create a big challenge while creating the actual content. For example, I don't have any idea about finance. Now, if I start creating videos on investment depending on AI, it may cause a huge loss to our audience because AI is not super perfect yet. So, we have to select a niche that I have at least a minimum knowledge of, and some niches don't need to be verified. My suggestion is to go for one of them. For example, this retirement travel niche has a huge RPM. Now let's see the example channel. This channel has over 220,000 subscribers, and every video has significant views. That means this niche is a profitable one, as it has high RPM and is quite popular. Alright, we have selected the niche. Now create a YouTube channel in this niche. If you are not familiar with customized YouTube channel creation, you can watch this video. I will put the link in the I button and the description. Okay, after creating the channel, we need video ideas to create the videos. To generate the video ideas, again, I will use TubeMagic. Come back to the TubeMagic homepage and select the Video Ideas tool. Now we have to enter a popular channel link in this niche. So, I am just copying the channel URL with the handle and pasting it here. Now hit the Generate button. And here it is. You can see that one video idea has been generated. You can simply click on the Generate Again button to generate a new video idea. Using this method, generate video ideas for your channel. Alright, our video ideas are ready. In the next step, we need to write a good script. Don't worry, you don't need to research a lot to gather data and then write the script. Here, after every video idea, you will find an option called Generate Script. You will find a script writing feature on the homepage as well. Let's generate a script. For example, I want to make this video. I am clicking on Generate Script from here. On the next page, you will find the script options like General Script, Script for Shorts Video, How-To Video, Script Outline, and Listing Video Script. At this time, we have to select the General Script option. Next, you have to select the word count of the video. By default, it's 800 words. You can change it as per your need. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Our script is ready. Now we have to create the actual video. There are several options to create the video. You can create videos by generating voiceovers with a text-to-speech generator like 11 Labs. After generating the voiceover, collect the related video footage from various stock footage marketplaces like Storyblocks. Once all the assets are ready, assemble them with a video editor like CapCut. Or, you can use a fully automated method to create the video with an AI video generator like Pictory, Fleeky, or InVideo. This time, I will go with the automated method. To do that, I will use the Fleeky AI video generator. After coming to the Fleeky website, create an account if you are new to Fleeky. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here you can see the previous projects I created earlier. Now, to create a new video, click on the New File button from here. On the next page, we have to enter our project details. First of all, the project type. You can create videos, voiceovers, or designs with Fleeky. We have to select the video option. Next, enter the video title. I am pasting the video title provided by TubeMagic. Next, select the video language. I will go with English. After that, the dialect or accent. I am selecting the US. Next, choose the video aspect ratio from here. In the end, the Start With option. You can create videos from ideas, scripts, blogs, products, and more. As we already have a script, I am selecting script from here. Once everything is set, hit the submit button. Okay, now we have to set the video data. First of all, the script. Copy the script from TubeMagic and then paste it into the Fleeky AI script box. Next, the media. You can choose between stock media and AI media. If you select AI media, Fleeky will generate images or videos to create your video. This time, I will go with the stock media video option. Next, you can select a template from here. It's not so important. I won't use any template. Next, the AI avatar. If you want to use a talking avatar in your video, then select the AI avatar option and then select your preferred avatar from here. Okay, the next feature is branding. I am skipping it this time. In the end, in the More options, you will find the option for sound effects, B-roll footage, and title. I will use sound effects and B-roll. Once everything is set, hit the Submit button. Now Fleeky will analyze the script and create a brand new video for us. It will take some time, so I am fast forwarding the video. Alright, our video is ready, let's have a look.
Welcome to our exploration of the most affordable islands, where you can buy property and live like royalty. In this video, we'll uncover hidden gems that offer stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and incredible opportunities for investment. Imagine waking up to breathtaking.
That's a good video, but I think we have to customize it to make it more perfect. First of all, the voiceover. If you think you need to customize the voice actor, click on the voice actor's name from here. You will find a vast number of hyper-realistic voice actors here. Listen to some of them, and then choose the perfect one. Don't forget to select the Apply to All Scenes option from here. Okay, now we have to customize the visuals. You may have noticed that Fleeky used base footage and other B-roll footage for every scene. Now, to change any footage, click on the footage, and you will find the vast library of stock media. Here you will find any kind of videos, images, GIFs, and others. You can even upload any footage and generate videos and images with AI. In the Stock Videos tab, you can search for your desired video footage. So find the best footage for your scene and select it. Now if you want to add a new B-roll in any particular place, just mark the script text and then select the B-roll option. Using this method, review all the scenes and make necessary customizations. You can watch this video to learn more about customization. Okay, now you can customize the subtitles. If you don't want any subtitles, simply turn them off. And if you want to change the type, font, color, and size, you can do that also. Alright, once everything is set, hit the download button and then the export button from here. It will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward to this part. And our video is ready. Now click on the download button to save the video on your device. Our video is ready. Now it's time to upload the video on our YouTube channel. Once you are on your YouTube channel, click on the Create button from here and then select Upload Video. Now upload the video created with AI. Now we have to enter the title, description, and thumbnail. We will enter the title and description later. First, I will generate a thumbnail. To generate a thumbnail, come to Fleeky again and create a new file. This time, select Design as the file type, enter the video title, and set Landscape as the aspect ratio. Set the start as a thumbnail. Now enter the video topic here. Next, set the media type. This time, I will choose AI media. Once you are done, hit the Submit button. And here it is, our design is ready. Now you can customize it as per your need. Once you are done, download the design and then upload it on YouTube as a thumbnail. Now publish the video without any title and description. Don't worry, we can customize it later. Once the video is published, copy the video link and come back to TubeMagic. After coming to TubeMagic, find the Upload and Optimize feature. Here you will find the feature to generate titles, descriptions, and tags. I will use this Warp Upload feature to generate all the content in one click. After coming to this page, paste the video link here and then hit the Generate button. And here it is, the title, description, and tags are ready. Now come back to YouTube, click on the edit icon of the uploaded video. Now copy the title and description and then paste them on YouTube one by one. Next, click on See More and then add the tags from TubeMagic. Okay, we are done. Now save the video and publish it again. Alright, our video has been published. Let's have a look.
Welcome to our exploration of the most affordable islands, where you can buy property and live like royalty. In this video, we'll uncover hidden gems that offer stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and incredible opportunities for investment. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views and enjoying a lifestyle filled with luxury, all without breaking the bank. Whether you're a dreamer seeking paradise or an investor looking for your next venture, join us as we dive into the allure of island living and the possibilities that await you. Island 1. Belize. Belize is a standout choice for affordable island living, boasting a real estate market that offers incredible value compared to other Caribbean destinations. With stunning beaches, lush jungles, and a rich cultural heritage, Belize provides a unique lifestyle that blends relaxation and adventure. Foreign buyers will find favorable legal considerations, including incentives like the Qualified Retired Persons.
Using this method, you can create unlimited videos and maintain your YouTube channel with the help of AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with YouTube automation using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.